Today's project involves this garage door here. It basically is split, or the aluminum is broken, and now the door sags pretty badly. And when you open it and close it, the garage door opener makes a bunch of noise, and it looks like it might just fall off. That's a problem. So I was able to get it back down by lowering it by hand and then pushing up on it as it went down. So that's pretty much the status of this garage door for, probably 2 or 3 years. I just did the right thing and used this garage door instead. Now here's the problem that I have with this one is, let me get into probably should have done some prep here, but anyway. So here's the next garage door, and it's closing. Now you notice that one is starting to sag and do almost the same thing, just not nearly as bad. But if I continue to run it, the same thing's gonna happen. So I got no choice but to fix at least one of them. Just to give you a quick, we need 2 of these garage doors, by the way. 1100, I don't know, a little lights on that. 1145 a piece, and I need 2 of them. So we're gonna do the right thing and fix it for about 20 bucks. All right, don't know how the audio is gonna go, but I'll try anyway. So what I came up with was, I found, I actually had a piece of this in the garage, but it was a little bent. So I went and got a brand new one. It's, I don't know, inch by inch. I don't know what this is for. But I was gonna take some of this, and then I got some self-tapping little screws, nuts, bolts, I don't know, whatever. And I'm just gonna put that across the spot so that it can't sag anymore. See how it goes. Ooh, I am gonna drop this off though, because the wife and kids are out doing something, and I'll climb that. They'll open up the garage door, and then that'll be the last video you see. All right, let's get this here. See what we can do. They just got home. Don't open the garage yet.
Oh, okay.
You might kill me. All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Well, might as well get a real world test. Well, I hope you're not afraid of heights, because I'm on the 2nd step. Oh, 3rd step. That's a long way down. Anyway, I know you're asking yourselves, boy, geez, how many should I put in and how often? I would say, since I bought a thing of 100, I'll probably put about 50 in each one, and then that'll probably hold her pretty good. Actually not. I did put a couple more kind of near the actual point of weakness, just to see if that can help it from, might even wear out that piece of thick steel. So garage door number 1 is working flawlessly now. There's absolutely no sag in that. It's just nice and structurally sound. I was gonna do some chin-ups off of that, but seeing as I can't do any chin-ups, probably gonna not start on that. Anyway, I know what you're thinking. Hey, when's he gonna do the other one? Well, since I got one that works, this one's just fine. I'm just kidding you. I'm already cheap. I don't need to be lazy at the same time. Go ahead, and I did do the other side.